Hey everybody, it's Jeff in Yawk, and today we're back in Manhattan visiting Greenwich Village, specifically the Jefferson Market Garden, which is less than half an acre and it's a small sanctuary in a very busy area of the city located just behind the historic Jefferson Market Library. It's open spring to fall, and volunteers keep this garden constantly changing throughout the season, changing the beauty, color, and sense of this tranquil natural setting. So if you're fortunate enough to find a few moments during your day, find a nice empty bench and take a few moments for a nice brown bag lunch or read a book or perhaps just to de-stress for a few moments from the crazy city outside those garden gates.
Don't forget to look for Cabby, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabby is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video.
If things go sour, then you can't go back to
No,
Chinese.
you don't. No.
For those of you with plans to visit exciting New York City, I suggest the Photos New York City Guide. It's written by locals and has a lot of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your next visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to the city. I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you.
I always check it.
As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.